Lawyer, if cops say turn off your engine, don't panic. This moment confuses most drivers instantly, but your response matters more than you think. First, stay calm, hands visible, engine off if instructed. Then ask a clear question. Am I being detained or am I free to go? This isn't magic, it's clarity. It defines the situation legally. If they say you're free to go, you can leave. If not, stay respectful and comply. Never argue, never escalate. Just be calm, aware, and precise. Most people lose control in confusion. But knowledge changes everything. So here's the real question.